this will officially be my oldest Hot Wheels in my collection. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. So guys, in today's video we're going to be opening up yet another package. This time it is from my buddy Mike. From our last trade, I know he mentioned he was going to send me some goodies, so I don't know what is in this package, but considering the size of it, and it does feel pretty heavy, it seems like he sent me a good amount of cast, which I do definitely appreciate. So Mike, thank you so much for sending me this. So he had told me that this was kind of like a celebratory 1,000 subscriber package slash birthday present, so thank you so much. But I don't know what is inside, but I can't wait to open it up, so let's get right to it. All right, guys, it's unveil time. Ooh, what do we got? So mysterious in Oh man, I already see the set right there. Look at this, nicely wrapped. Where do you find smoked bubble wrap? Huh, look at this. Oh man, I haven't been able to find this set. The only one I've been able to find was this one, but I gave this away in a trade. But this is the 2008 Ford Focus. Check that out. That is so clean. And this one, in the Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo RS, also known as the KDR 30, in a really clean white. And check out that metallic silver number 83 right there on the door. It does have the chrome lace wheels and of course some really nice tampos for the taillights. Man, this thing is super fresh. Now I do have the Flying Customs as well as the other mainline from the NIGHTBURNERZ in these two variations right here. But check this one out. This one is so much cleaner. Man, that is nice. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these is your favorite. This one, by far, is my favorite out of the three. This is so clean. And that white and silver just, man, that looks nice. What else do we got? Did he send me the whole set of this? Yes, he did. The Volkswagen Golf MK2, which I'm glad he sent, because I am giving my other one to my buddy Alex. So we haven't been able to find these anywhere in this area. When I found the Focus and the Golf, those were the only ones I was able to find. So I'm definitely stoked to have this. Man, this is awesome. Oh man, look at this, guys. I already told you the 88 CRX has always been one of my favorite cars growing up. And this is clean. Look at that. You got the JDM windshield banner right there. Really nice front headlight tampos. Blacked out wheels, blacked out body, and of course you do have the rear tampos for the taillights. And this is super clean. I think this one looks much better than the Super Treasure because look at that, the lacking detail versus this one where it is fully detailed. And I do like the setup of this car, and it looks so fresh. That is nice. And this is number 4 of 5. Let's see, which one's this one? Ooh, this Scion FRS in this bubblegum pink. Check this out. Look at those detailed headlights right there. Mattel is just getting so good at detail. Because right here you have the older styling of the tampos where it's just silver. And look at how far they've come. You can see so much detail in that headlight. You have the Scion badge right there. Nice body kit. The gray 10-spoked wheels. And then, of course, the rear is lacking detail, but that is super clean as well. This is number 5 of 5. So, yeah, it looks like he got me the entire set right here. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That is awesome. Mike, thanks so much for sending me that. And look at this. He's got the McLaren Senna in the Zamac. Super clean. Also hooked it up with the Type R in the Zamacs as well. Look at this, the fresh Type R. Oh my God. So I can get rid, or not get rid, but I can get rid of this one that just got destroyed because I found this in a giant toy bin at work. So I can take that out of the display and look at this one right here. Super fresh. Oh, I'm so excited for that because you guys know card is what matters for me, especially being a carded collector. That is just awesome. So I got to reorganize that and put it in order like I did the Mustangs over here for the 2005s. Man, that's exciting. Uh-oh, Ducati 1199. Ooh, that is fresh. This is my first motorcycle in my entire collection, and it's the super clean Ducati 1199. What is it, a Panigale? I'm pretty sure maybe that's how it says, Panigale. That is clean. I do love Ducatis. These bikes are super sweet. What else? Oh my god. The 67 Chevelle SS 396 out of the Muscle Mania series. Check this out. Look at the tampos right there on the side. You got Moon Eyes, Hoosier, you got Jegs, you got Edelbrock, Holly, all the icons of drag racing in general. You got Mr. Gasket, you got Welds Racing, and this is super clean in a nice candy apple red, chrome 5-spoke wheels, and chrome base. Fun fact, guys, if you don't know, the 70 Chevelle is my all-time dream car, but the 67s, those are also 67 to 70. 72s are okay, but 67 to 70 are my dream Chevys right there. Up next, you got the Ford Focus RS in a really nice metallic lime green. This livery looks really nice with the huge RS tampos on the side. Of course, you got the gray 10-spoked wheels, and the RS is actually etched into the casting itself, so that is really sweet. I've passed up the gray variation of this, and now you guys know I have to go find it so I can have these two together. And he hooked it up with another 68 GT500 Red Edition. Oh my god. Oh, that's so sweet. So now that I have a duplicate, I can start setting aside these awesome dupes to open up and put in that really nice display that King Nut sent me. Sent me the 65 convertible from the 007 series, which I do have. This is actually my third casting, so the other one that Big A sent me, I'm going to actually set that aside for a wheel custom, and this one, I might actually do a color swap on the entire car. I might post something about that. Alright guys, I see something old right here. Check this out. You got the 65 Mustang in a really nice metallic blue with the white wall 5-spoke wheels on there. Look at this casting, guys. This thing is super clean. You got the tan interior, the full metal cast with the opening hood, which you guys know I love already. Number 26, and this is out of the original blue cards, just like this 65 convertible right here, which that one has the collector number, and I'm not sure if that's the collector number or if it's just the number in series. Let me know down in the comments if you know anything more about that number versus, of course, the collector number on that one. But these blue cards are very nice, and this is in really good shape. I believe this is out of the 1990. Look at that. Look how old that is. 1990 Mattel. Man, if this is a 1990s release, this will officially be my oldest Hot Wheels in my collection. Right now, this one is my oldest. This is from 91, so that's 30 years old. So I'm going to go ahead and look on Fandom and see when this release was, and I'll put it right on the screen. That way you guys can check it out. But that is so sweet. And then I think he has a loose casting in here. Alright, I'm going to need a second hand for this, so hold on. Alright guys, I got the tape off. I remember him sending me a picture of this. Oh man, look at this. This is clean. You got the white with the red interior 65 Mustang. And this is a Johnny Lightning cast. That is very nice. Let's see the opening hood right there. Look at that detail. Not too shabby. You could actually see the fender tubs of the wheels right there. Even the front grille, the headlights, the lower turn signals, everything is detailed very good. I wonder what release this is. It does have some really nice chrome 5-spoke wheels. 1998. Man, this thing is nice. Definitely a good open casting right there. Check that out. Now that is Mustang in its classic color. It's not white, but it's that classic off-white that a lot of older cars, especially the Mustangs, came in. And based off of the rear and the front, it does look like a 65. So that is super clean. But this package, guys, look at this. Look at all the stuff Mike hooked me up with. This whole set right here, I am super stoked to have. These castings alone are awesome. I did give away all my Zamac, so it's good to replenish. That way, if anyone needs them, I can throw them in as a trade, a bonus, whatever it is. And then, of course, the extra red edition. And I'm glad he hooked it up with the new red Type R, because this card was just destroyed. So I'll be opening up this one. And then this right here, guys. This is the all-time hitter out of this whole package, the 65 convertible. The more I look into collecting more of the older blue cards, the more I love the collection, because looking at the card artwork compared to how it is now, you can just see a huge decade difference, you know, from the 90s to now. I mean, you can just see the transition of how Hot Wheels was going. And that's the reason why I like collecting in the cards. But that is awesome. Thank you so much, Mike, for sending me this. That is an amazing, amazing package right here. This is amazing, guys. So I try not to send out so many free packages because it does add up, and I'm still a little behind. I have a couple packages I still need to send out. Derek's I'm sending out tomorrow. Yours is there. I'm not going to show you what's inside of it because there's some extra goodies in there for you. Man, this is awesome. So yeah, let me know which one of these was your favorite. Of course, let me know which one of the Nightburner set was your favorite. It's kind of hard to decide between the KDR30 and the 88 CRX. That is a tough one because the 88's one of my favorite Civics. And then, of course, the KDR30. This is just a clean recolor. God, that's so clean. That is all I got, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, if you stuck around this far, consider subscribing to the channel so you can stick around and stay tuned for future videos like this, as well as peg hunting videos and my Free It Friday. And if you want to figure out what else my content brings, check the description box because I have all my playlists down below. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.